everybody. Happy Friday. Oh my goodness, my heart is so full. I've had the most beautiful day today. I had two VIP clients this morning, back to back, and then back to back to that. I had the Money Healing Mastermind. My day and my heart has been so full. It has just been glorious. I love working with these women that I have such a privilege to work with. I find it such a privilege. It's just been, yes, phenomenal. What a beautiful way to end the week. Back to back with clients. Love, love, loving it. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to talk to you today about how to make your money dreams a reality, because we all have them. Yes, we all have our desires. We aspire to receive so much income. We have we always have an idea or goals or desires of what we would like. And so often they are just that, though. They're dreams, they're desires. We think we're in fantasy world that it's ever going to be possible. And if we are feeling that way, then we're absolutely right. That's exactly what's going to happen. So how do we make our money dreams a reality? How do we stop them from being a dream and being some sort of fantasy, some figment of our imagination, and harness and bring them down into reality? The first thing I want to say about that is that the infinite is always listening to our prayers. We are always being heard. Our prayers are always being heard, no matter what they are, whether they are good or bad. They are always being heard. But what is created in our reality is what we match our feeling state to. So we could be sitting there saying, oh God, yes, I want to earn $200,000 next year. And if we are saying that and giving it and just it's just lip service, we were just saying it, and but at the same time we're like, that's never going to happen. Who the hell am I to make that sort of money? Who's going to pay me that? Like, our energy is not in alignment with our prayer, and it's just not going to happen. We can't draw that down into reality if our feeling state, if our vibration is not in alignment with our prayer. So we need to have a look at it. We need to have a look at what we are calling in, what we're asking for, what prayers are we actually giving out into the universe, and what prayers, even if they're subconscious, are we actually in alignment with? Because as I said, it can be for the good or for the bad. So we could be actually internally praying for something that we wish we don't want to be bringing into reality, but because our thoughts are constantly on that problem, we're always sitting in stress, we're always in worry, we're always like thinking about that bill constantly, or that debt that we've got constantly, we're constantly bringing that into our mind. That is actually our prayer. We are actually praying for that debt. We are constantly fixated and stressed about that large sum of money, and that's all that we are saying to the universe. That is the language we are giving. Our vibration is in line with that debt. Our prayer is pretty much saying, I'm in debt, and I'm willing and able to stay here. And the universe absolutely delivers on that and brings that into your reality, keeps that as your reality. I forgot to say, if you're here, say hello. I never know who is watching me, but say big hello if you're here. If you're catching a replay, give me a hashtag so I know. So how do we do that? How do we make those money dreams a reality? Because sometimes it can seem so big and so far away, and it is a dream or a figment of our imagination or a fantasy land. So we have to really work backwards. We need to really bring back that big audacious goal or dream that we have into something that is closer, something that is more realistic, something that we can see as done and feel as done and know as done, and attach our vibration to that, attach our energy and be in alignment with that. So if $200,000 is too much for you to even consider, then let's go bring it back down again. What feels manageable at this moment in time? What feels like it's possible to be achieved? And then bring your energy in alignment with that prayer. Actually bring your energy in alignment, bring yourself into alignment so you can draw that down, bring it into something that's more reasonable, something closer to home, and then you can begin those steps to bring that dream into reality. Hi, gorgeous Denise. How are you, beautiful? So that's how we are bringing that, our money dreams, back into reality. We need to feel and sense, know that it's done. We need to harness that energy, bring our vibration in line. It's all about alignment. And we also have to be so freaking conscious of what we are praying to the universe. And when I say pray, I'm not talking about down on our hands and knees, unless that's how you want to do it. You're absolutely okay to do it that way as well. But we are subconsciously praying as well. So much of the time we don't even realize it. As we are subconsciously having conversations, we are subconsciously harnessing beliefs and fears and our version of truths, which are not really normally the best truths to hold on to, but we are holding on to those, and we are subconsciously praying to the universe for something. And as I say, it can be for the good or the bad. It's completely impartial, the infinite. The universe doesn't mind what you call in. It is willing and able to give it to you. So the problem is, though, that most of our life, and as a collective, we have privileged fear, and we have been praying for that is in that fear-based society, like fear-based paradigm. Like we've been living in that fear. So like I said before, if you have debt, and it is a debt that is constantly stressing you out, and you are constantly focused on it, and you're worried about it, and you're stressed about it, and it's all you can think about, what you are actually doing is you are praying to the universe for your debt. We need to realign and bring our feeling state into play here, and understand how freaking powerful we are. Yeah, the infinite is always hearing our prayers, always. But what the problem is that stands in between our prayers actually being answered is our energy in alignment, not being in alignment with those prayers. And what makes our energy not in alignment? If you've been hanging out with me long enough, you know that it's fear. Fear is what absolutely makes our energy to be constricted and to be out of alignment with our dreams and our prayers. So you want to bring your money dreams into reality, get on board with them. Like in every part of you, not just mentally, don't just think about it, don't just write it down on a bit of paper. Bring your money dreams into something that is more achievable or attainable, or something that you feel is possible. Start bringing that reality into your awareness. Feel what it feels like, experience what it's going to feel like, and bring every sensation into it. What is that like? How do you dream? How do you speak? How do you act? Like, how do you feel? Like, bring every sensation in and on board with that. See that as done. And then you can move into those bigger dreams, those further dreams, those bigger amounts of money, and keep extending the dream, extending the prayer. As I say, you can pray for $500,000 next year, but if every single part of you subconsciously says that ain't never going to happen, it ain't never going to happen. Yeah, you've got to bring those into alignment, bring your prayers and your feeling state into alignment. It's the only way, absolutely the only way to bring your money dreams into reality. If you want to know more, send me a PM. If you want me to help you do that, send me a PM. As I said, I've had the most freaking amazing week. These beautiful women. I had 2 VIPs this morning. I had one yesterday, one on the day before. Like I've just, this week has just been more. Thank you, universe. More like this week. The Money Healing Mastermind we've just wrapped up as well for today. Really going in, we're still on that sacral chakra, all about our relationship with money. And I asked a question that I love to ask the women, and that is to finish off the sentence, I love money because. And if you are called to, I invite you to do the same. Grab your journals up, write down, I love money because, and finish that sentence. And tell me, pop in the comments, why do you love money? Imagine, like, just allow yourself to move into that feeling state. What does money allow you to do? What freedom does it get you? What do you get to experience? What lives do you get to change? Like, why do you love money? There is so many freaking reasons to love money. There absolutely is. So start making a list. Go to town, make a list of all the reasons why you love money. As I say, I am actually fully booked with clients until the end of the year. I am feeling so freaking privileged about that. But if you want to jump on in and work with me in the new year, send me a PM, pop a comment in the box. I will get back to you. I'll tell you when invitations are going out. Yeah, I love it. I adore what I do, and these women are here are freaking changing the world. The women I work with are here to change the world. And if you're ready to change the world, come and do it with me. It is a glorious place to be. Have a beautiful, beautiful Friday, a beautiful weekend. I'm sure I'll be back sometime next week. If you have any questions, as I say, reach out, let me know. My door is always open, no matter what. If you want to just have a catch up as well, grab a 20-minute call. I can talk to you about my work. I can tell you what I can do. I can explain the best ways that we can work together and to be able to bring your dreams into reality, because that's what it's all about. Okay, beautiful, beautiful ones. Have a glorious Friday, and I'll be back real soon. See you then. Bye.